I should tell me well enough. Please don't call me on my bluff. Falling bigger than LeBron. Who y'all think y'all frontin' on?
Now let's say you want it. Say what's your price. Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you want it. Say what's your price.
Hey babes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time joining us, welcome, welcome, welcome to it. I really do hope that you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of the ZeeX family. As I'm sure you can all tell by the title of today's video, today I'm going to be doing a short little hair review on this hair that I got from Nadula Hair. As you guys know, I have worked with them before and I absolutely love working with them the first time, and this time was no different. The combos are definitely saying what's up, and I'm personally a fan of that work. So if you guys would like a little bit more information on this hair and a hair company that I definitely rate in my top 5 hair companies on Aliexpress, please do stay tuned to this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, become a part of the family, and I will see you guys in the next clip. So guys, as I already said, I have worked with Nadula before, and I will link the video where I did my first review with them in the cards right now. I absolutely love their straight hair, guys, and as I said, I do list them in one of my top 5 Aliexpress hair companies. You guys will hear a little bit more information about the pros and cons of this hair towards the end of the video, and right now we're just gonna get into you guys seeing how it came, when it looks like when it was washed, yada yada yada, hada. Alright, let's get straight into the video. Alrighty guys, so as I've already said, this video is done in collaboration with Nadula Hair. As you guys already know, I have worked with them before, and I have worn their straight hair before. The last time when I got the straight hair though, it was a straight frontal. However, this time I got a straight closure. I got it in the same length. It is 24 inches. This is how it looks after I've washed the hair. I wash it with conditioner and shampoo just like how I normally do it. And as I've already mentioned, this hair is a closure. It is a 3-layer closure. So as you guys can see, this bottom part is like a nude color. It is also thicker than your normal closure, and this is just done so that you don't have to do anything like bleaching the knots or anything like that. It'll come looking very natural. All that I did was to pluck the closure a little bit just to make sure my parting was defined, but otherwise, honey, 10 out of 10. It is also a teapot wig, which means that you can't like part it anywhere you want because there are tracks going all the way up to the closure. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I straighten this hair, and then I'll give you guys a more detailed review of the hair at the end.
always keep it real with a player. Just answer your phone whenever I call, cause I'm riding on chrome. Whenever I ball, I like 'em short and tall, but not too thick. I just walk in the spot and take my pick, and they wanna roll cause they like my style. And when I pop the collar, I make them smile. I need a lady on the streets, but a freak in the sheets. Know how to cook cause a nigga like to eat spaghetti, shrimp, and steak. And I'll adore you, I treat you like milk, I'll do nothing but spoil you.
Sunshine, I could call you my favorite boy. You could call me your favorite girl. Maybe we could spend some time. You can be your sunshine. I could call you my favorite boy. You could call me your favorite girl. Maybe we could spend some time. You can be your
I know your friends wanna holler cause I got them dollars. Push the way back Monday, Tuesday and holler. I switch hips like dicks, I'm a baller. And if I get your phone number, I'ma call you. And we can meet up the next day and chill. But I'm always on the road, baby girl, that's how I live. I got bills to pay, I got moves to make. But when my plane touch down, pick me up at 8. Don't be late.
I could call you my favorite boy. You could call me your favorite girl. Maybe we could spend some time. You can be your sunshine. I could call you my favorite boy. You could call me your favorite girl. Maybe we could spend some time. You can be your sunshine. We don't have to be in love. We can just be friends. I will be right there, beginning from the end. I can bring my girls, you can bring your friends. We can both have fun. Don't want this.
They say
we can just be friends. I will be right there, beginning from the end. We can just be friends. I will be right there, beginning from the end. On the spot, we were chilling, getting out. Instead of none, I told you to get out. Didn't mean a word that I said, cause I was hoping you would go ahead.
Alrighty guys, now that we have reached the finished look, I thought I should give you guys some pros and cons about this hair. We're going to start with the pros. The pros come with the fact that first things first, this hair is very high quality. I feel like Nadula sells some of the best straight hair I've ever tried. This hair is also very, very thick and full, as you guys can see. It does not look like the hair is thirsty, child. Your hair is going to be very full, which I really like. Some people don't like the full look on straight hair, but specifically for me, I absolutely love it, considering it is also 24 inches long. Finally, the hair is quite affordable. It retails for about 3,200 Rand as of right now, which for a 24-inch wig is actually very affordable in my opinion. Obviously, it is a closure, not a frontal. However, I do think this is great value for money because you're gonna get beautiful 24-inch hair and you're not having to spend anything over 3.5. Now the cons for this hair, first I would just say that I feel like this hair does have quite a few flyaways, which is not my favorite thing with hair. Obviously there are different ways that you can tame the flyaways. However, that is something that I thought I should point out to you guys. And lastly, since this wig is a teapot wig, the hair doesn't lay as flat as I would like. I don't know if you guys can notice, but I find that the top of the wig is a little bit more, I don't know, like bumpier than I would normally like, and that is because the tracks, as I said, because it is a teapot, wigs come all the way up to here. So that is something to note if you're looking for a wig that's going to lay super duper flat. So that is all for me, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.